Hey gamers, welcome back to another brand new video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix can't connect to the server PlayStation sign-in. So make sure to watch till the end and don't skip any part of it. Fix 1. Sign into PlayStation Global page. When you go to the right PlayStation Global page and sign in, the error code will go away. This makes it easy to access your games, settings, and account features without any problems. This quick fix saves time and gets rid of the trouble of sign-in issues, making your gaming experience smoother and more fun. The other effective solution is to switch browsers. Sometimes, the default browser settings or temporary internet files cause issues with signing into your PlayStation Network account. By using a different browser, you bypass these issues entirely. If you're using Chrome, try switching to Firefox or Edge. This resolves problems related to browser-specific settings, cookies, or cached data. That's all for today's video. Hope this video helps. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Merry gaming.